This entire film was created with zero production setup. No camera, no crew, no budget, only a script and one AI tool. And what I got was a full cinematic movie with consistent characters. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to do this from scratch. The tool is called PAI by Utopi Studio. The first thing you do is create a new project. Once you are inside, you will see a simple box where you can either drop your full script or just type a story idea. So I simply typed "Two Friends Time Travel Story" and pressed the plus icon. This is where you set up your project before generating anything. You can choose the duration of your video here. PAI allows video output of up to 3 full minutes. And right now, no other AI video tool on the market can do that. You can also set your aspect ratio, depending on where you plan to publish. And if you already have character images ready, you can upload them directly here to keep your characters looking exactly the way you want from the very beginning. Once everything is set, just hit Enter and watch what happens next. PAI does not just jump straight into generating your video. It stops and shows you a story confirmation first. You can read through exactly what PAI understood from your idea. Make any changes you want right there, or simply type "Continue" to move forward. Then it does the same thing for your characters. It pulls out every character from your story and shows you exactly how it is going to design them. You can adjust anything here, or just type "Continue." Next comes character design. This is where PAI builds the actual visual identity of each character. Same process. Review it, change what you want, or keep moving forward. After that, it runs a full scene analysis. It breaks your entire story down scene by scene so you can see exactly how your film is going to be structured before a single frame is generated. And then finally, you get your storyboard, a complete visual shot-by-shot breakdown of your entire film laid out right in front of you. Now pay attention here, because this is where most people do not explore enough. You can tap on any shot in the storyboard and make precise adjustments using the in-painting option. That means you paint over only the area you want changed and describe what you want different. You do not have to regenerate the entire scene. And if you want a completely fresh version of any scene, there is a full regenerate option for that too. At every single stage, you are in complete control. Nothing moves forward without your approval. And that level of creative control inside an AI tool is something I have not seen anywhere else. Once you are happy with everything, you press Continue one last time and your video generation begins. Before it starts, you will see a quick pop-up showing exactly how many credits this generation is going to use. In a few minutes, your output is ready. You can download it directly, upscale it for higher quality, or jump straight into editing the final output right inside the platform. And here is the best part. PAI is giving away free credits right now. Go try it yourself and let me know in the comments what you end up creating.